Welcome to Wudkwency Artistry. In today's video, we're excited to introduce the Botanic Tri-Tower, a beautiful 3-tiered wooden succulent planter stand. This DIY project is perfect for adding a touch of natural elegance to your home or garden. Best of all, our plan is completely free to download and includes everything you need to get started. You can download the free PDF pattern for Scrollsaw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description. The 3-tier structure maximizes vertical space, making it perfect for small areas and allowing you to showcase multiple plants in a compact footprint. Enhance your home or garden decor with this elegant and practical succulent planter stand. This planter stand offers longevity and sturdiness to support your succulent arrangement. Create a dedicated and visually appealing spot for your succulents, promoting a calming and green environment. Enjoy the rewarding experience of building a beautiful and functional piece of decor with your own hands.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.